Donna. New data shows U.S. overdose deaths soared to a record high last year during the COVID-19 pandemic. According to the CDC, the total number of overdose deaths rose to 93,000. That's compared to 72,000 back in 2019, amounting to a 29% increase. Experts say lockdowns and other pandemic restrictions isolated people with drug addictions and made treatment harder to get.
And here in Utah, our local addiction treatment center is weighing in, saying that losing social and emotional connections last year is a big reason why the numbers are up. ABC4's Jordan Burroughs talked to Odyssey House today about the alarming trend. And Jordan, how did this problem get so out of hand?
Emily, they tell me that there are several contributing factors to this large increase in drug overdose deaths. A lot of that contributed to the COVID-19 pandemic. And like Glenn mentioned, that 29% increase from last year to this year, well, from 1999 to this year, there's been a 450% increase in drug overdose deaths.
I just actually celebrated 20 years of recovery on the 11th.
That's program manager at Odyssey House, Mill Creek and Coburn.
I was just really motivated, honestly, to prove people wrong who thought I was going to fail.
She was in her client's shoes 22 years ago. She battled drug addiction and needed help. Now she's paying it forward, helping the place that once helped her.
It just takes one person to believe in you and see the good.
The good is Odyssey House lets people come and go to get the help they want or need. The bad is numbers show drug overdoses are exponentially increasing. According to the CDC, from 2018 to 2020, there were 26,000 more drug overdoses nationwide. That's just about the same number of drug overdoses in 2004 alone.
I think that as we saw people who were more isolated and cut off from their social supports and their, sober connections, I think that contributes a lot.
A lot of drug overdoses are prevented by naloxone, known as Narcan, that Unified Police patrol officers must carry on them.
We've responded on a lot of those calls for service.
Sergeant Melody Cutler says the pandemic is certainly to blame.
I think it's just one of those things that went along with the pandemic. The interesting things that we saw, whether people feeling isolated or depressed, job loss, all those things probably contributing to an increased drug usage.
If you or someone you know are struggling with drug addiction, you can get help. Places like the Odyssey House behind me have several locations, and they accept anybody who needs it. Reporting live in Salt Lake City, Jordan Burroughs, ABC4 News.